there's a process to where we are allowed into other jurisdictions, other states, to try cases where you file a motion, typically with the trial judge, to say, we would like to come into your jurisdiction to represent a specific person for a specific case, not to open an office and practice law, but we want to represent this person in your court. And then once you're admitted pro hoc, you're able to practice law in that case, in that court, just like you would if you were an admitted lawyer. Oftentimes, somebody local who realizes they may need a little more firepower will call on us. Oftentimes, from the very beginning of a case, particularly a case that requires some capital to hire experts and to do the things that need to be done to work the case up right, they will call on us because we have the ability to provide that capital. And so when you do that, you really do level the playing field. One of the things you have to learn when you go into any jurisdiction for the first time is what resonates with that community. But we do that. We talk to people and we learn what that community is like, what kind of issues they're concerned with. We don't come in and try to impose what we think. You learn who your audience is and you make that presentation to your audience. Any client who does the homework, whether they want to pick Cunningham Bounds to represent them or somebody else, should never feel like they're restricted to their jurisdiction, to their state. They can pick anybody in the country. What you want to do is pick the best law firm for your case. And we've got the experience and the resources at trial to make sure that we put on the best presentation for that client that they can possibly have.